Discover the natural remedy for maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system with this informative video. Learn how to create a powerful honey and ginger paste that may help cleanse your arteries and promote heart health. Explore the benefits of honey and ginger, their individual properties, and how they work together synergistically. Follow the step-by-step instructions to make the paste and understand its potential effects on arterial health. Prioritize your cardiovascular well-being with this simple and effective natural remedy. Arteries are blood vessels that carry oxygen-rich blood from the heart to various parts of the body. When plaque, a mixture of cholesterol, fat, calcium, and other substances, builds up in the arterial walls, it can restrict blood flow, leading to serious health issues such as coronary artery disease, heart attacks, and strokes. While lifestyle changes like regular exercise, a balanced diet, and avoiding smoking are fundamental for arterial health, certain natural ingredients have shown promise in supporting cardiovascular well-being. Honey and ginger, when combined, offer a potentially potent remedy for cleansing arteries. Honey, a natural sweetener produced by bees from the nectar of flowers, has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. Studies have shown that honey possesses antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial effects. The antioxidants present in honey can help combat oxidative stress, a major contributor to arterial plaque formation. Furthermore, honey has been linked to improved cholesterol levels, reduced blood pressure, and increased blood flow, all of which contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system. Ginger, derived from the root of the Zingier officinal plant, is widely recognized for its distinct flavor and extensive therapeutic properties. Ginger contains several bioactive compounds, including gingerol, which possesses potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. These properties make ginger a valuable ingredient in supporting heart health. Research suggests that ginger may help reduce cholesterol levels, inhibit platelet aggregation, improve blood circulation, and lower blood pressure, thereby promoting arterial health. When honey and ginger are combined, they create a powerful synergy that may enhance their individual benefits for arterial health. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of both ingredients work together to combat oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and potentially inhibit plaque formation. Additionally, ginger's ability to lower cholesterol and improve blood flow, combined with honey's positive effects on cholesterol levels, may contribute to overall cardiovascular health. Preparing and using honey and ginger paste. Creating a honey and ginger paste is a simple process that can be done at home. 1 tablespoon fresh ginger root, grated or minced. 2 tablespoons raw honey. Peel and grate the fresh ginger root to obtain approximately 1 tablespoon in a small bowl. Mix the grated ginger with 2 tablespoons of raw honey. Stir the mixture thoroughly until well combined. Store the paste in a clean, airtight container and refrigerate for up to 2 weeks. To use the honey and ginger paste, consume 1 teaspoon of the paste daily on an empty stomach. You can also mix it with warm water or herbal tea for added convenience. Note, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating any new remedies into your routine, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions or are taking medications. While honey and ginger paste is not a substitute for professional medical advice or treatment, it may offer a natural approach to support arterial health. The combination of honey and ginger's anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and cholesterol-lowering properties holds promise in maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system. However, it's important to remember that a holistic approach, including a nutritious diet, regular exercise, stress management, and medical guidance, is crucial for overall heart health. What did you think of the video? Leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.